So we're getting ready for Girl Scout end of the year party. Yes, I'm vlogging. And Chloe just helped set up the chairs and the tables. Hey, I helped you with the tables before my knee got stupid.
Yeah, I know. Sorry.
Don't be mean.
Sorry.
She did do all the chairs though. And I'm wearing my lemon dress today, which is super cute. And I did my makeup and I did yellow. Don't mind the twitchy eye, but I did yellow. And then my wang got messed up because my eyes don't stop shaking ever. And that made me angry. But I didn't have time to fix it. So we're now here waiting for pizza and Girl Scouts and my sister to arrive so we can put the gift bags together for end of year. And I thought I would vlog for a little bit, say hi, and see how you guys are doing and see what's up. There's a little baby strawberry outside. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. It's like, it's so tiny. It's so itsy bitsy. Where is it? It's like over there somewhere. But it's like the cutest little strawberry ever, and I want to go pick it and eat it, but I know it'll be sour, so no. And then, yeah. There's not a whole lot going on this week. It's a pretty slow week for the rest of the week and next week. We've got Scouts tonight. This weekend is pretty much empty, and I want to keep it that way. And then, because it's been a while since I've had a weekend of doing nothing, and I want to, like, vlog and catch up on stuff, so I'm going to keep it pretty mellow. And then next week is just taekwondo, I think, for the most part, and grocery shopping. And that's about it. So it's going to be slow, but I'm going to try to vlog. I'm going to try to get up my Birchbox versus Sephora because I did it. I already filmed it. I just need to edit it and get it up. And I want to do a couple other videos with Chloe. We have a taste test video I want to do. And we have, yes. And she's excited about that because she likes doing those. And I have I got my genetic results back from 23andMe and Ancestry. So I want to film that. So those are some upcoming videos to look forward to. So subscribe to our channel. Yeah, hit the button. It's down there. Down there. Okay, so I'm going to go for now. Oh, don't mind my sweaty upper lip. I just noticed that. Lovely. I'm going to go for now because I think my sister's going to be here soon and the pizza's going to be here soon. And I need to help her set up and carry stuff in when she gets here. So, bye. You guys, your girl's struggling. I am having a rough time. I fell off the keto wagon, for one. It's been like a week and a half. I'm going to try to start up again tomorrow. Nathan's going out of town again, so it'll be easier. For two, my daughter has her friend over for the week because it's summer vacation. And now we go from weekends to full weeks with people in our house. And I love her friend. I love her like a daughter, but it's just exhausting when you're fighting depression and you have an extra person to care for now. So it's like, oh, I gotta breathe. But I thought I would try. I have something in my mouth. I gotta edit that out, Beka. I thought I would try to get on here and film. I just edited my really janky Birchbox versus Sephora for the month of May. And that's late, obviously. But to be honest, Sephora was late in getting it to me, so sorry. And I'm trying to film right now, hoping my camera doesn't fuck up because I'm really freaking tired of it. But my house is a mess again. I mean, look at that. That's all crap on my... This is the reality of depression. Nothing gets put away. And when you have two teenagers in the house that make it even messier, you just want to crawl in a hole and hide. So I'm trying. But I knew I needed to be real because so much of the time YouTube is full of fake, and it's just like I can't do it. I'm not gonna fake it. And if I don't make a video, then I'm going to end up not filming at all, and I'll get back in a slump, and I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna keep it real. Isn't this adorable? This is my cup I got for being a Girl Scout leader from our service unit, and it's filled with blue liquid, but it's actually color change, and it turns blue when it's cold. So you can see it right here. There's no liquid from here to here. See the liquid? This part's not liquid and it's blue. So this is super cute. Thank you, Jen and service unit people, but probably Jen because this is probably you. But it says keep calm, I'm your Girl Scout leader, and I love it. It's so cute. So it's like little shit like this that makes me smile right now. So, and the lid tells me it's BPA free. How about that? So yeah, I did take a shower today. That's an accomplishment. I'm also like TMI about to start my period, so that's making me super happy too. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get out of the house today, do something. Maybe I'll film it, maybe I won't. I'm gonna try to film more, but maybe I'll do my makeup. Looking at myself. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm just why is everything a mess? I started re-recording because I think it's gonna glitch now, but that's my trash can. That's Kleenex that needs to go upstairs. Right there. This is my planner, which is really cute. That belongs in my purse. This is Mask Maven that just came. Those are granny squares I need to block. My Kleenex box. Bunch of crap that needs to get put away but can't be. That's a hand. That's literally a hand. It holds a bunch of stuff. It was a form that they used to make gloves on, but I just use it to hold crap like here things. Oh, there's a childling coming downstairs. It's a Chloe. Hi, Chloe.
I'm just retrieving something.
You're retrieving something? Awesome.
I hope you're proud we slept upstairs.
I'm happy you slept upstairs. Freaking finally, thank you. Can you take your sweet tea glass and not leave it on my desk? And take that with you. Yeah, teenagers. They leave stuff everywhere.
Where's my bigger thing?
On the floor, because I almost sat on it again when you left it where I sit. We just got her a Surface from Nathan's work, and she keeps leaving it laying around and it's driving me crazy.
Only on the couch.
Where I sit. So I keep almost sitting on it. What do they call those little paint, like, sample kits? The little quart size. What do they call them? Oh my god. This is my brain lately, guys. No. Anyway, when you get, like, paint chips on the wall and you figure out what color you want and then you go get the little can of it and you paint it on your wall to make sure you like it, that color in the wall, that's what we need to go get. Because we figured out we're going with this gray color and it's called Online. And I want to paint the living room because this beige is old. It's like 1970s beige. And the wallpaper here is textured wallpaper and it's awful. Listen. Can you hear it? Ugh. Stuff is ridiculously bad. But yeah. And we have to get putty because there's some cracks in the walls because the house is plaster lath because it was built in 1921. So yeah, we got a lot of shit to do as far as household stuff goes. Yeah, so I should probably drag Nathan off the computer. He's playing PUBG as usual. I don't even care. Some days I care that my bra shows. Some days I just don't, and today is a just don't care day. My dress is cute though. I've gotta get something in. Oh, I don't know. I'm in a funk. I'm in that weird depression funk, and it's gorgeous outside. And you would think I would have my shit together because it's pretty outside. No. Nope. There's a lot of things that I want to get for the house, and they're all expensive. I want to get a chest freezer. I want to get a treadmill. I want to get a little TV to put in front of the treadmill downstairs in the basement. I want to get camper chairs. Because we all need new camper chairs, even though we don't go much of anywhere. I want to get the porch fixed. I want to paint. I want to power wash the house because it needs it. So, hilarious story. A hawk ran into our house or like another big freaking bird, like it's huge. And there's a stain from where it hit the house with like dirt because it must have been raining and it like rolled in dirt that day or something. I don't know. I don't know why. But like you can see the bird form splatted up against our house. So we need to power wash the house because there's a big freaking hawk bird stain on the house. So that looks lovely. Homeownership is a great thing. But yeah, and our dining room like ceiling is still doing that peely thing that I keep complaining about. You see it? Where like the previous owners, they put drywall strips on the ceiling and then they did the little like plaster over it and we're like, oh, it's a new ceiling. And now because it's not supposed to be like that, it's all peeling. So our ceiling in the dining room is peeling in strips and has been for like the last 3 years. So annoying. But it looks so ghetto in here and it's just so bad. So yeah, I want to do that. I want to repaint the kitchen because there's like country quiche in there and it's disgustingly ugly. And paint the cupboards and get new hardware and it's so expensive. It's expensive being a homeowner, let me tell you. But it needs to get done. It needs to get done. So at some point we'll be doing all of that and won't that be fun? But for now, I think I'm just going to try to get my little paint thing and maybe convince Nathan to go for a drive with me, which won't take much convincing. He likes going for a drive. Yeah, I'm going to try to get this vlog up too, even though it's depressing and sad. I'm so sad today. I sound sad and I don't mean to. It's just how it is today. Past couple days have been rough. It's been really hard to get motivated to do anything in the last couple days, and I'm trying, guys. If you suffer from depression, you know how hard it is. But there's a few things I want to do, try to lift my spirits, get back up into it. And I just am like, this is what's going to happen this week. So I need to do it. We finally remembered to get paint samples. So this morning, the girls woke up. Well, the girls woke me up at 5:45. Was not a happy camper. They didn't go to sleep at all last night. So it was about 6 o'clock. I came down and said, hey, go to bed. However, I got my dishes done. I opened the house up. I'm airing it out. I cleaned a bit. It's not completely done. It's going to take like 4 years for it to be completely done. Nathan's feeling like crap, but he has to drive to Kentucky anyway. So that's where he's at. I changed my snake's cage out. Say hi, Mr. Snoot. Where's your head? He's back there, but he's not saying hi. I have his mice defrosting, and I'm going to do a little painting. A little painty paint. I'm excited. I hope this dries darker than it is in the can, because it's a pretty light gray in the can. But the sample itself looked a lot darker. Or the paint chip. The paint chip looked darker. That's definitely gonna need 2 coats. Ooh, painting. Coat number 1. It's gonna need a primer probably. Or 2 coats. Let's see if it works. Oh my god, it works. How funny is that? You're on my coat rack right now. Because I'm gonna paint underneath the coat rack. Watch me paint. Watch me paint. Even though you can't see what I'm painting, you can watch me paint. You can watch me go through the motions. Do, 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 do. I don't know what that song is. It's the Watch Me Paint song. So obviously, I'm a little better today on the depression front. If you couldn't tell. I'm singing. And that's a good thing. Because I don't sing when I'm depressed. But I am upset that Nathan's out of town. But honestly, in all honesty, I am kind of glad that he's going to be out of town if he's sick. Because he is a huge baby when he's sick. I love the man. Truly, truly love the man. But when he gets ill, he's like the biggest baby. So, okay. Coat number 1 in both rooms. Up to the door line. Because if I see any of the wrong color, and I have to repaint all the white anyway. If I see any of the wrong color on here, then I'll be like, I can't get a feel for it. So, let's see. Coat number 1 is done. I dripped. But I dripped on the sample tin. Woo. Yay. Alright, so we'll let this dry. And then we'll go back with coat number 2. So, I think that paint is going to be a really good color for the living room and dining room. As long as we have an accent color for like our accessories and that kind of thing. So, the accent color is going to be the problem. Because Nathan and I both like very different accent colors. We're both on page with the same neutral colors though. So, that's good. But I'm really liking this gray. Anyway, I am feeling better today. But I was kind of, honestly, I was kind of faking it on Friday when I had the Girl Scout meeting, but I was kind of not. I was in this really weird place because I had Scouts, so I had to be happy for Scouts because I don't like the girls to, I don't like to be upset and sad for the girls. So I was happy, but I put on makeup in my lemon dress to like help myself feel better. And I did. Today is more of a chill out day. I'm not really planning on doing much. Saturday and Sunday. Saturday we went to Costco and I didn't get any footage of it. And then Sunday you just saw. But on Saturday when we went to Costco, I bought some stuff I shouldn't have bought because I was very defeated about keto. And that I had done it for a month and I had only lost 5 pounds. And then I was researching some more and a lot of people are like, well, sometimes it takes a month or 2 before you lose weight. And I was like, well, okay. So now I have a bunch of stuff in my house that I shouldn't eat on keto. That I had just like cleaned out all of that. So I'm not sure right now what I'm doing. I really do want to do keto. I was feeling so much better when I was doing keto. But I think I might just let the girls eat all the crap food. It's a good plan. I realized I totally didn't paint it where I should have because what I was worried about was what it would look like with our couch. So I had to paint another section. But regardless, I still like it. So don't mind the mess again because that's the girls' corner. Can you tell? But with our couch and our curtains, I think that's going to look really nice. And get rid of the beige. So guys, I think I'm going to end this here for today, and I'm going to keep recording today for tomorrow and just kind of go from there, but I'm at about 20 minutes and I figure that's probably long enough. I ramble and all of that. So I'm going to end it. Hope you guys all enjoy our vlog, and I will see you very, very soon because I'm probably just going to start one right back up again after this. So I'll be wearing the same thing. Anyway. If you guys like our vlogs, please subscribe. The link's down below. And if you want to follow me on social media, all of the links are below as well. So feel free to do that if you would like to. And we will see you guys all soon. Bye.